Start by applying 2 coats of the color black. Always apply the nail glue before applying the nail decoration. On the second nail, the base of the nail is to coat of a pink color. Apply matte top coat before next step. Apply the black color to the nail plate with a plastic card. Swipe over the color, and then take a nail stamp and gently press it down. Feel free to take an alcohol wipe and remove any excess pattern before stamping the nail. Don't cure the nail yet because we will apply pink nail glitter first and then cure the nail. For the final touch of the nail design, apply nail decoration and cure. The base of this nail is to coat of the color black, and then I have apply matte top coat. Always place your nail glue before applying the nail decoration. On the last nail, we will do the same thing as we did on nail design number 2. If there is anything you are wondering about, please leave a comment and I will get back to you. Pour over the black glitter and then cure the nail. That is the finished design. More nail art coming soon.